Hello and welcome to today's daily vlog. I'm starting quite late again. It's already nearly 3 o'clock. It's about 10 to 3. Weather looks alright again. Nice weather. I'm going to take Molly for a walk. I go to the shop, so I don't have to go tomorrow. Get things for over the weekend. But yeah, we'll see about that in a bit. What I'm going to do and make my plans in a bit. First I'm going to take Molly in the garden and then make plans whether I'm going to head to the shop or just go for a walk. Okay, so the plan is to go to the shop, get treats, bits for the weekend, and then take Molly for the walk, come home. Let's go. So, just got to the dog walk. Molly is back here. And we're going to take her for a walk now. Don't want it to be too long. I've got ice cream and stuff after going to the shop. And there's another car behind here in an undesignated parking zone. So hopefully they've gone by the time I get back. Or I'm a bit stuck. So yeah, I'll take Molly for a walk. And we're home. It was quite a good walk. The car was still there when I got back, so I had to sort of like reverse carefully and like backwards and forwards a bit to because I didn't have enough room to get all the way back. Molly's just down here resting after the walk. I'm gonna go online for a bit. But yeah, really nice weather today as well. So looking forward to hoping the weekend is a little bit cooler, so I can get out in the garden. I actually started digging up the plants now, so that I think that's going to make it a bit easier as well. So that's going to be good, just to get the job done. So yeah, I'll go online for a bit. So it's now just gone 5:30. It's actually 5:37. So gonna go down and do dinner. I'm gonna do bolognese pasta bake. It's like a microwave thing. So I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, just gonna do that, and then come back up and watch a bit more YouTube. Molly's ready for her dinner, so yeah, let's go do dinners. So just had dinner, had the bolognese pasta bake. It was quite nice actually. Just had it with a bread roll this time. We usually have it with garlic bread, but garlic bread that I got earlier, I had to get some garlic bread, but I got pizzas for Saturday. So yeah, the garlic bread's gonna go with the pizzas on Saturday. And then, like I said in the other vlog, yesterday's vlog, or the day before, we're having fish and chips tomorrow night. So yeah, Just need to make sure I've got the menu up here still. I'll have a look once I've got finished filming this clip. I've got a menu, and they do delivery for the fish and chips. I think the last time I got them, I think I vlogged it that time. But yeah, gonna get fish and chips tomorrow night. So I'm gonna continue watching YouTube and watching Els the Witch and Bazinga baking a Fall Guys cake. That's what they're doing in this video that I'm just watching. So yeah, going to watch the rest of that, watch a bit more YouTube, and then I'll do my jobs for the evening. So it's nearly 10:15. It's actually 10:14. Mom's on the sofa over there. Let's go and see her actually. Let's go and see how she is. Say goodbye, Mom.
One of those who did get a slot here told us it had been a long walk with her child.
Tried to get home test, missed that this morning. They'd all gone by the time I filled it out. Missed the more local ones. We've actually just walked 6 miles to get in.
In the Commons, one cabinet minister gave his opinion.
Instead of this endless carping, saying it's difficult to get them, we should actually celebrate this phenomenal success of the British nation in getting up to 40 million.
So she's just sat there tonight. I'm pretty sure she'll jump down later and come and sit by me while I'm editing. But yeah, it's actually exactly 10:15 now. So I'll end today's video here. Don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell so you always get notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you tomorrow at 6 PM. So don't forget, if you dream it, believe it, achieve it. Good night.